Hi there. My name is Busa and I'm the Customer Success Manager at WebWork Tools Limited. This is just a short video on the mobile app for Storekeeper. Again, I'm using the developer version for this video, but if you have your version of the app, it's going to be purely Storekeeper. So now it's the same app we worked with on the desktop. Is if you see the financial reports, we had to change things back, in the records, but it's basically the same. Like, let's just show you, like, see that order that we made. So I had to change the price back and I got back what I wanted. So now let's go straight to why we're here. We're here because we want to use the barcode or QR code scanning. So I'm going to do a test with barcode and a test with QR code. So this is a product, or let's just say we want to register a product. Okay, any of the products. I'm not going to add it in full, but I'm just going to show you how this works. So if I choose item here, okay, I'll be able to tap this video here. That's this camera button here, and it's going to bring up a scanner where I can place above that code. Now you see that that code was ABC 1234. Now it's come here for the product. So that's to tell you that this is working. Now let's also try to scan a QR code. So you see this QR code, what does it say? It's ABCD12345. Now if I choose to put over this QR code here, it shows you ABCDE 1245. So basically that tells you that this works. Now let's add this to a product or some existing product and show you how the scanning will work in your business. So let's go to product items now. Oh no, not product items, sorry. Let's go to products itself, the products register and Bella Africana food bag. It's a group, okay? And I want to add this barcode to it. Let's say I have the item beside me. So I can come here and just go on top of the barcode and it records this. Okay, and I'm gonna update this in here. Alright. Now when I update this in here, I'm going to be able to go and scan in case I want to, like, a customer wants to buy this product. So the only thing is I have to identify whether the product is a group of products or an item. Otherwise the scanning will not work. So if I come to sales item, I choose add new and I choose group. I'm going to choose my camera component here and I put it on the code and it's automatically going to bring out the Bella Africana food bag. So I can tell it whatever quantity the customer wants to buy. Maybe he wants to buy five of it. So it's going to be 200K. So this QR code is automatically entered when you scan. So this is just basically how barcodes and QR codes work with the Storekeeper app. So that brings us to the end of our general overview, and I hope that the app works for you in your business. Have a great day.